The Larson Electronics temporary power distribution system provides operators the ability to safely tap into and distribute 120 and 240 volt AC power from a variety of sources, including generators and direct grid power. A weatherproof flip cover at the front of the unit can be lifted upwards via an accessible handle. This serves as protection for breakers and receptacles in rugged environments when deployed at the site. A drain plug on the panel helps the power distribution system achieve a NEMA 3R rating, allowing the unit to be used both indoor and outdoor. The transformer is protected by vibration isolators that reduce damage to exterior jacket of wiring components and decrease noise during operation. This power distribution system is constructed of steel with a polyester powder-coated blue finish for durability against dirt, moisture, and mild corrosion. The transformer and load center distribution assembly is mounted to a standard steel cart-style frame, resulting in an extremely stable, durable, and mobile power distribution platform. 2 rotating urethane casters in the front and 2 inflatable run-flat tires in the rear on this cart-style mounting platform provides easier substation mobility. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.